Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I author in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key on your video player.
Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Wednesday, the 24th of October, 2018. We're getting on to 9:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Another day, a lot of volatility again. You've already got a 320 point range in the Dow already, about 30 points in the S&P. Gold dropped down, was down about $5, trying to gather some footing right here. I wouldn't be surprised to see if the market tries to continue to work a little bit lower. It's had a heck of a run to the upside. Maybe around that 13 and a quarter zone might find some support. Dollar index working against the metals as it's sharply higher, and this is a bounce in the euro. It was down nearly a full penny. That's quite a bit of a drop that we're seeing here. It's a combination of a slowing down in Germany. It's a combination of the Brexit, the Italian situation. It just goes on and on. In the British pound, this is a bounce. We're again nearly down a full penny in that market. That's quite a bit of a drop. In the energy markets, well, it's back and forth action right here. You know, you've got the Brent down about 3 cents. You're up almost 40 cents in the crude. What can you say about that? You're still getting bids in the bonds and the notes as we're getting our own weakness coming into the economy, and still some harvest pressure coming into the grains and lack of business. Sugar market on fire, continuing to move up. Remember, this is a market that was just recently at 1080. So this has had a heck of a run to the upside. Now the day's data, and this is one of the sagas of weakness in the market. New home sales down 5.5% at 553 units annualized. They expected it down 0.6 to 625,000 rate. They revised the prior number to 585, by the way. The new home sales inventory keeps climbing, 7.1 months, and we're now seeing minus signs in the new home sale median price. So markets do this, they adjust. And as they adjust to higher prices, in other words, you went too high maybe in the median home price, higher interest rates, markets start reacting. Market groups, U.S. preliminary October manufacturing sector PMI 55.9, better than the 55.4 they were looking for in the prior reports, 55.6. The group service sector PMI came out at 54.7. They expected 53. These are good numbers, not bad. Market groups, the EU regional PMI came out for October to 52.7 from the final figure of 54.1 in September. That's bad. And the slowdown is primarily happening, as we're seeing in Germany. This was the lowest level in over 2 years and below the expectations of a 53.9. So you've got to be looking to see what's going on there, but that's quite a negative. U.S. sanctions against Iran for their oil just around the corner, and Chinese industry sources are saying that China National Petroleum Company and Sinopec Group have not booked any oil for November. Well, that's good news for us. Sweden Central Bank, the Riksbank, confirmed that it fully intends to go ahead with the interest rate hikes somewhere either this December or February 2019. And a Bank of Canada statements now forecasting 2018 and 2019 real GDP at 2.1%. And then, like us and others, a slowing down. The slowing down is a combination probably of higher interest rates hitting the marketplace, along with just world trade wars not helping anybody. Before you go, I want to remind you I'm having my webinar. It's tomorrow. That's Thursday, October 25th at 1 p.m. The invites were sent out. I'm going to send one more group out again today. But folks, if you didn't get them the past 2 days, it means you're not on the mailing list. To get on it, there's only one way for you to do it. Give my staff a call at 866-973-2077. It's the only way you're going to get on it. 866-973-2077. We're definitely filling. We'd love to see you there. Bring your questions, and we'll have a good time. 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lasts about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on the questions you bring me. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great trading day, and I'll see you this afternoon in my end of the day videos.